I'm here with another video on American Truck Simulator, because once again somebody asked for it in the polls. And yes, I realized in the last video my mic was very quiet. I can't tell how loud it is when I'm using it, so for now I'm just kind of bouncing around to see how loud I need it to be to work. But anyway, today I'm just gonna do a few missions and I guess maybe try to I can't buy a trailer. Well, no, I'll just see if I can get some money and level up a little bit. With the money, I'm probably gonna upgrade my truck a lot. That is, if I can. I know you need to be certain levels. I'm level 2, oh my god, bro. You gotta be like level 20 for some of this stuff. Alright, let's get a job. Alright, I'll keep it at price per distance. Alright, let's do the best ones I can get. Alright. I'll see you guys once I get to the job. Pull 3 loans to buy your first semi, otherwise it would take you 80 years. I mean, I planned on going 80 years with it, but my cousin finally bribed me, or didn't bribe me, but he got me to just use the loan. Which I gotta say, it was a lot faster and it's not as bad as I thought. Like, you don't have to pay as much a day as I thought they'd make you, but still not really fun. Because this game just kind of, wow, that's a cool little animation they added for the trailers. Or reverse. Oh wait, first person. That's better. Oof. There's no way I'm that close, man. Yeah, that wasn't even that close. I should have stopped like that. Whoa! I always forget to throw it back and drive because I'm used to most games actually already having it in drive when you hit the when you hit W. Alright, nice and smooth. Okay, I will see you guys when I get to the delivery spot. Hey guys, we are very, very close to the drop-off point. So I decided to pick the video back up here, and as you can see, I'm already going off the road because I'm paying way too much attention to talking, but it doesn't matter. As long as I don't damage my trailer or lose any money, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm on the other side of the line. Come on, bro, go. Well, if you ain't going, I'm going. Watch out, Volkswagen. Ow, I just cut my foot on my chair. Ow, that hurt. I should probably pay more attention to that. Wow, my mic just got a lot louder. I don't know what happened to it, but it's a lot louder now. I think I might have accidentally touched something when I was trying to feel my foot if it was bleeding or not. red light. Bruh, I didn't even go all the way. What? That's broken. I pulled up to the line and it gave me a fine for running a red light. Bro, I pulled up to the line and you're giving me a fine? All I did was pull up to the line. Hot dog man! Don't do it. Ah, Yuma. Again. Green light. Alright, let's pull up as far as I can. Alright. I'm not on your side of the road, I don't think, sir. Okay, all good, all good, all good. Oh, please. Oh, thank God. Where do you need it? Oh, wait a minute. I should have pressed that button. I think I know where they want it. I've done this one many times. Well, I haven't actually ever successfully parked it besides once, but dude, what is with my mic? It's so sensitive all of a sudden. Every time I use S when I'm saying something, it's so loud. I might want to check that out after this video. Of course, it's the one that's harder than the one that's normally right here. Yikes. Well, good thing I was in. Can I put it in reverse, please? Oh. I know exactly what they want me to do. Oh, come on, man. Should have thought about this before I tried pulling in here. I mean, the other one you can do it this way, so I mean, I'm not fully wrong, because if it was the other one, I would have been fine, but really, it's not the other one, so you know, that's not good. Ah, come on, man. Man, this is a pain. Please don't, please don't. Alright, I need to turn it all the way as far as I can get it. Man, I want that extra 40 XP, man. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That was not lined up at all. Please straighten out. Of course you weren't gonna. The trailer never cooperates with me. Whoa, 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 whoa. That will have sucked. Sign. Come on, come on. Why is my guy so tired so fast? I literally did one mission. It hasn't even done a full day-night circle. In fact, it's been daytime the entire game. Why do I have to hit it 4 times? This is stupid. I had to hit the flippin' shift button 4 times because I picked the wrong semi-automatic. Was that 40 XP actually worth it? I feel like they should make it so it pays you way more than just 40 XP. That's stupid. Especially for this mission. You have to park it like this. Dang it, man, I was trying to pull forward! Yeah, 40 XP is nothing in this game. So if it's ever that mission again, I'm not doing that. Alright, what can I get? I can just pick up the trailer from here. That's so much faster. I didn't know you could do that. The friend who got me to actually buy this game didn't show me anything about it. Which is always fun when you're starting a game. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, we gotta hit the first person, man. Alright, well, I will see you guys when I get to the drop-off. I want to do 2 more missions after this one. See you at the drop-off. Oh, I accidentally pressed the button. I didn't mean to do that. Hey guys, I basically made it back to where I was. And now, my guy is very, very tired, which is not a good thing when you're in American Truck Simulator. However, I can fix that as soon as I take this stop and deliver my load and pick up a new one. And that'll be my last load for the video. And I'll film the whole last load because, like, if not, this is gonna be like a 10-minute video, not just a 16-minute video or something. Go, nice and smooth, perfect. This one's gonna be easy. Come on, trailer. We're gonna want you to come right here. I'm gonna pull up to the corner of the place. And that seems about good. I like how the AI is actually doing stuff. I need no auto parking. Oh, straighten it out a bit. There we go. Why did it turn so hard, bro? Alright. Ooh, 2 skill points. I can't right now. I've been getting a lot for over 250 miles recently. I think I'll go with fragile, and I'll just start having to pay attention to things that might be fragile. Perfect. Talking about fragile. Woo! That's why I was trying to put in drive before I pulled up the menu, but whatever. They need to make it so you can turn your head just a little bit more so you can see out this back window. Stop. Perfect. Why do I have a review mirror now that I think of it? Like, sure, it's a semi, you don't normally need a review mirror, but you know, it's decently nice to have sometimes. Yeah, I know, my guy's tired. I'm gonna get to the sleeping spot here in a second. There's no cars coming, I'm good. Bye. Skirt. Come on, it's the green light. It's the green's light. Haha. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. I thought this was a sleeping spot. No, it's my garage. Oh boy. Spit. You know what I mean? Oh, I'm hitting something in here. My guy doesn't know how to clean up this place. Oh yeah, there's a big orange thing on it. That's better. Whoa. Okay, there we go. 3 a.m. Oh man. It's cursed, but who cares if it's cursed if it looks nice out. Oh, Zerber's playing Volcanoids. That game looks decent, but I haven't actually played it recently. But whatever, got some better lights back there. I can't see nothing. Come on, there we go. This thing's front wheel drive. Oh boy. That was close. Alright, back in the first person now I got that sorted out. Wow, I mean you can see more when it's dark out when you're in the cabin, but when it's bright out you can't see nothing in this thing. A high place car. Kranvik. Ah, finally. There's nobody behind me, so I didn't slow anybody down. Man, this part of the episode is gonna be quite long. Dang, 230 miles. Green light, sorry Prius. Come on, Elon Musk, get out of the way, boy. Haha, I'm allowed to turn. Hey, little semi. Yeah, he knows to keep away from the trailer. That's better. $8 a.m.? Dang, time in this game passes fast. I wish it didn't pass so fast. Man. Especially when it's like this in real life, it is so nice. Just nobody on the road but you. Nice, dark out. Get your headlights on. Oh, sorry bro, I didn't know it was my time to go. Good luck with your load there, bud. You too. Gallon oil. Holy snap, there's a lot of semis coming from that side. I guess semis are the only AI driving at 8 o'clock in the morning in the game. 8:41 a.m., 8:42 a.m., 8:43 a.m. Or it's just gonna freeze. What? Time just went backwards? Why does it keep going backwards, man? The time's going backwards, this makes no sense. How is this? It's not possible. What? It's going backwards. It's going backwards so fast. Oh boy, I gotta slow down for this one. Skirt. Perfect. We almost didn't fit there. But we did. Man, I can't see 2 inches, man. I actually gotta move my mouse so I can see in front of me. Finally. And it should move my camera back without me doing anything. It normally does. Apparently not this time. Oh, that looks so nice, bro. It looks so much nicer without the street lights. I mean, the street lights make the road look nice, but when you're 9 under a street light, it looks so nice with your headlights on. This is why I like driving games. Mustang. I don't know why he'd have his roof down at 8 a.m., but whatever. Don't know why it told me to turn over here, but whatever. 190 miles left. Dang. My guy's not tired, and I guess flip, I wasn't paying attention to the billboards. So, is this game so realistic that was just a car part on the side of the road? I didn't know this game was that realistic. Just have a random bumper on the side of the road. Bro, we've gone back basically an entire hour in time. How does this work? I'm outrunning time itself. So am I. Is that cross? Well, it looks like cross, but probably got nothing to do with it yet. It looks pretty cool. Man, we're going like a mile an hour. Steep grades. Whoa, watch where you're going, bro. Steep grades ahead was. Jeez, bro, watch where you're going in that tiny little Subaru. Ran away truck ramp. That is hilarious, man. Don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mean, but it's hilarious. Another one. Oh yeah, and then it runs right up to a dead end. Oh, that's so good, bro. But I don't know if that's for like police chases to trick the semi or what, but that's just hilarious. It might just be a stop for the semi if you can't use the brakes or something. There's been a lot of car crashes since we've had cars where the brakes just didn't work. Mostly from Kia when they couldn't figure out how to make their brakes work properly in like 2015. If you go on YouTube, there's so many videos that say flashback at the top, and it's like they're recreating a crash from a certain time of it, like a certain time, and they do it in BeamNG though. I don't quite understand it, why they do that at that point. Don't even recreate it in BeamNG, just at that point, like, just show us the video. But whatever. If it works for them, it works for them. Man, it's still 100 miles, and I've been going for like 13 minutes now, I think. Man, I'm just outrunning time or something. I don't understand it. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to slow down finally. Or not. It's gonna be hard to squeeze through here. Never mind. I thought that was a bigger turn. Wait a minute, is that? Okay, no, it's a gas station. I thought that was a weighing station. I was like, oh boy. That was a police officer. Semi. Man, this game actually takes forever to do a mission, but whoa, I might want to pay a little bit more attention to these guys. Oh man, it's kind of hard to keep in between the lines on this turn here. You either overturn or underturn, and you don't want either of those. 88 miles, we're getting close, boys. I thought this was gonna take a lot longer than it did, but no. I can't wait to see the bonus I get for this because it's a fragile, and I have fragile almost maxed. I'm going back in time. Yeah, I can see the sun. This game doesn't make any sense, man. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, it's pitch black. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, it's bright as flip over here. This game doesn't make no sense. I don't know if the game just doesn't understand that I'm actually outrunning the time zones or what. I'm a bit close to that railing. Hello. 50 miles. Also, I almost forgot to say, but you guys should go look at the polls. I'm gonna make a poll and by the time this video updates, the poll will be up. But I'm gonna be asking if you guys want me to make an intro and a better outro, just a better outro, or neither. No intro, no new outro either. Just nothing. Sorry, Kai, I wasn't paying attention. Man, I'm like OP in Komodo and American Truck Simulator. I look away for 0.2 seconds and I almost crash. Oh, we are pulling up. We are getting close to the drop-off point real fast. This place is out in the middle of nowhere, literally. Also, well, I ain't got nothing better to do. If you guys enjoy some of my videos, I recommend you subscribe so you always get a good, so you can always come back. And if you like this video in particular, just hit the like button to show that you liked it. And if you want to see me play a different game or want to see more of this game in general, then just leave a comment saying so. Man, there's no way somebody here who's watching me doesn't know Markiplier. I mean, I didn't know Markiplier for quite a while, cause Jesus, man, where did you come from? Anyways, like I was saying, I doubt anybody here doesn't know Markiplier. I didn't know him for quite a while, but that's because I never wanted to watch any new YouTubers. Or not new ones, but big ones. And, so, when I did find him, I seemed to enjoy his channel a lot. But I really like his outro a lot. I almost took that dude's bumper off. That would have been hilarious. Jeep, van, SUV. See him all the time. I don't know. Where did that Jeep come from though? Like a few minutes ago, where did he come from? That dude there's no way he was going under the speed limit. Cause I didn't even have time to stop. I was just pulling around the corner and then all of a sudden he came flying into my view. And I slammed on the brakes, but obviously I couldn't stop in time because he basically spawned in front of me. Fresno? Alright. This isn't the turning lane, right? Okay, no, thank God. At least I don't think it was. Police car. I'm gonna have to go around you, bud. Go and slow in your little Cadillac. Tesla. It's a Tesla. Tesla is slow. Tesla is slow. Vehicle. What? Excuse me, what? Bro, did I like barely tap him or something? I look away from him for 2 seconds and I somehow get a vehicle off. I can for it a little bit, but it's always those tiny little key looking things. You guys coming across or not? Apparently not. Can my light turn green, please? And this video is gonna be like 80 minutes long if this light doesn't turn green. Finally. Those guys didn't go the entire time. I don't know what that's about. Oh, touch the line. Oh, that's nice. I never even knew that was a thing. I might actually have to check that out. Boom, boom. Where's this place? Oh, it's 9 miles up. Okay, I'm gonna have to speed up a little bit. 22 minutes long, dang, bro. I mean, it's a little bit over 22 minutes for the viewers who are watching, but as of now, the part of the video I'm on is 22 minutes long. This little journey's been 22 minutes long. Dang, bro, 230 miles. I might want to start getting that one where it gives me extra money for the farther I drive or something. Nobody's coming, so I should have just enough room. Perfect. Probably could have turned a little bit farther in earlier. Oh wait, my lights are on. Are they on still? Oh snap. Sorry, SUV. Bro, I'm pretty sure that SUV just hit me. I know. I was trying to turn my lights off because this game's janky when it comes to turning off your headlights. There's like 3 light buttons, and for some reason, bro, that is not the best spot to be, SUV, bro. If I gotta back up, you're gonna get wrecked. If you'd give me some space, that'd be amazing. Alright. Wahlberg. What the flip is Wahlberg? What kind of Disney, Walmart, flippin' Minecraft mix is this place? That shouldn't be half bad. Let me go into first person since I've never been here before. What are you doing, my guy? Oh, he's washing. He looks like he was trying to break in or something. That's weird. Here we go. This place is empty right now. Skirt, skirt. Whoa. 10 inch forward, just a little bit farther. That's better. Come on. Well, that is perfect angle. Hey, bud, you waiting for me to pull up? Pull up or roll up? Want one? I messed this up on the first one. I mean, in real life that won't have been half bad, but... Well... Straighten it out a bit, please. I can't see nothing. Oh, that's perfect. Didn't give me that much. I wish it gave me more XP, but whatever. It says I did excellent. It took me 14 hours. I don't know how many hours I had left, but 514 XP. Dang. Well, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you like the video, like I said earlier, hit the like. If you want to see more of this video or me play a different game that you think would be funny or cool for me to play, hit the comment, leave a comment. And if you think you like my channel and would like to come back many times, then just hit subscribe. And if you apparently love my channel for some reason, which you probably don't because I suck at YouTubing, then at that point just hit the bell icon. But I feel like that bell icon kind of is useless. So I'm gonna check out the center, so next time I play American Truck Simulator, I might actually have some people helping me get money and stuff, and leveling up. I don't know if they get me XP, but I know they probably definitely give me money. So, just let me, also go check out the polls and let me know if you want me to, make a new intro, or make a new intro, or make a new outro, or neither. See you in the next one, guys.